My name is Ron Lederman. I'm an orthopedic surgeon here in West Bloomfield, Michigan. I've been practicing here for 24 plus years. Here at Lederman Kwartowitz Orthopedics, we pride ourselves on being really on the forefront of new technologies. We have been early adapters. For example, a wonderful piece of new technology that we've incorporated at Lederman Kwartowitz Orthopedics is the X10 motion machine, particularly after knee replacements. And we know that knee replacements hurt much more than a hip replacement, maybe more than a shoulder replacement. And it is critical to get that early motion. So for patients that have a knee replacement, whether they go home that same day or the next day, during that initial, often uncomfortable phase, it is critical to get into this machine. And the beauty of the X10 is it doesn't just passively move your knee where you're not thinking about it, but you're in that machine, you're actively engaging your muscles, you're firing your neuromuscular system, it improves your vascularity, decreases the risk of a blood clot, and people are getting their motion back faster, they're having less pain, it's easier on the family members that are there helping take care of them, and overall we're seeing excellent results.